Just one ball flew on the floor.
Oh my god.
Balls in it. Be careful with balls. You don't need this. Hi, Brian.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's open this drink. Hi y'all. So today we're gonna do a makeup video, but it's not just a regular makeup video. It is a blind makeup video, y'all, right?
Yeah.
Because she's gonna be blind today, okay?
Blindfolded makeup video.
She's gonna get blind now in a couple of minutes. We're gonna use this cat eyes. It looks like our cat.
Like Pataxic.
It's like Pataxic. So we're gonna use those cat eyes, but to make sure that she's totally, completely blind, she's also gonna have this hat.
I woke up and I felt like I needed to turn my head. So I turned it and it was like a and then I felt like I got a neck spare. Hurt so much, and then when I woke up later again, it hurt so much I can't move my neck. I can't turn my head to left or right. Okay, I'm turning now, but all the way it hurts so much.
We feel sad for her, but she's also gonna be blind today, and she's gonna do my makeup.
Blindfolded.
9 da matina, o dia tá pra começar. Não acordo muito cedo, sou meio marajá. Batata doce, frango, da coceira no corpo.
Let's get this show fucking started, bitches. 1, 2, 3, cheers. Okay, so we have a little bit of makeup here on the table for Chanel to make my blindfolded makeup. She's gonna use eyeshadow, she's gonna use highlighter, she's gonna use bronzer, she's gonna have different brushes, and she will have this foundation here from Maybelline, and she will even use eyeliner on me. She will use Matt's lip cream made by Milani.
Like this?
Yes.
So I can't see. But I can't see anything.
Just making sure you can see. Okay, she can't see anything, so let's get started. Oh my god, I'm nervous, I'm nervous.
Is it?
No, it's nothing.
Is it coming some?
No. Pressing air into my face.
No.
Yes.
Am I?
You're gonna shake it on your hand like this. Oh my god, this is so fucking creepy. Can you put it on the sponge, please?
Why?
Because you're tapping my face. Do it good, okay?
Yeah, I am. Yeah.
Make me pretty. Oh, is that how you do it?
Yes, always.
So hard.
Yeah, always.
So rough. Oh.
Close
Pull
your
my
eyes.
eyes up.
Close your eyes.
They are closed already.
For God's sake.
Yeah, now we're gonna take concealer. Give me some more drink. Not cola.
How did you know?
Because I could feel it.
And what is this good for?
To put to make it disappear. To hide your dark cycles. We're psycho.
Oh, I'm so scared to have open eyes. Cannot even open them for a second.
Now we need the bronzer.
There's balls in the bronzer.
Oh my
I'm gonna show them. We have balls in this. Wait. Balls in the freaking stuff. Bronzer time, okay, girl?
With the balls, are they on the floor?
Just one ball flew on the floor.
Not all the balls flew on
No one ball. Okay. We're live again. There's balls in it. Be careful with the balls.
You could do like this. Is it coming something?
No.
This is not so good bronzer.
Oh, you scratched me with your nail.
It's coming something.
Can I get a fucking one? Oh, it gives you some color. Yeah, it does.
Okay, give me the ball then. Let me put it with the ball. Oh my god, it's rolling.
Oh, maybe you can use the brush to make it more like blend in. You will?
After, yeah. Okay, next one. Close the ball, please.
Let's close the ball. Highlighter time, okay? For highlighter, we're using this Revolution highlighter kit. That looks like a heart.
Where's the brush?
Which brush do you want?
With the...
Feel them and tell me which one is the right brush.
This. That was the brush for the bronzer.
Too late.
And your nose? No, eyebrows.
Light it up.
Eyebrows.
Eyebrow. Okay.
This is gonna be the hardest one.
I bet.
That's
Okay, we have this special pen here. It's from Music Flower. It's called Music Flower Liquid Eyebrow Pen.
Like eyebrow hair.
You feel my eyebrows. Focus, focus.
So, is it pretty?
Very pretty. I have 4 eyeshadows in my hand, and you're gonna pick one of those eyeshadows.
This one.
You making a pretty makeup that you usually make on yourself?
Yes.
I think we need some more. Let's do this here. So we have more like intensive colors. You're gonna make smoky eye look on me, okay?
Smoky. Oh. Wait. Where is your eye? Take this one.
Dear Lord, God bless her.
So,
Okay.
now eyeliner.
That's the worst part. Let me have a shot before you do that. Take the last shot.
Wait.
Just
What was that?
my eyeball.
Did you open your eye? Why?
Did you open your eyes? Oh, why?
I will only do the wing now. Okay, okay. This is so dangerous.
There you go. Like, are you trying your best even
No.
though you can't see?
Yeah, yeah. Give mascara. Oh, give me mascara now.
Okay.
Is your eye open?
No, it's not. I'm scared.
Here. I'm done. Lipstick. Wait. You're smiling.
You can look.
Oh my god, no! Oh my, but this was good. Why is your eyeliner under your eye?
You poke me under eyes, you poke me upper eyes, you poke everywhere.
I thought I was putting it here.
So, where do you think that you did not went so wrong?
Lips. I think the lips are the
I
best.
think the lips are the best.
Almost. If I hadn't put here. I didn't know I was doing so bad. I tried my best.
You try your best.
Yeah, I really tried my best. Highlighter was good.
Okay, yeah, so we're pretty much done here and give you a close look on my pretty makeup.
Have you ever, nah, I'm just playing. Have you ever seen a chick that's just so fine that you don't even know what to say? When you say something, you stutter. When you see her and you approach her and you go, hey, Hey, what you know about me, ma? With a smile on your face, like you know that's me, huh? You look good, that's nice. Picture that ice in your bracelet, don't do braces. Cute faces, now let's do this. Let's do Paris. My Bapagate and my dad blue plane like my Air Force One. Maybe do Peru. And she said, ooh.